Are you feeling fatigued during the day? Struggling to fall asleep at night? You're not alone. Millions of people experience sleep disorders. But there is hope. With simple changes, you can improve your sleep schedule and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Don't wait any longer to take control of your sleep. Watch the video, How to Fix Your Sleep Schedule now, and learn tips and tricks for better sleep tonight. Step 1. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. To get quality sleep, you need to stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Sleeping at the same time every day, including weekends, helps regulate your body's internal sleep clock and promotes better sleep. When you wake up, you'll feel refreshed and energized, and you'll also fall asleep more quickly. Step 2. Establish a bedtime routine. If you have a bedtime routine, you can get a better night's sleep. Having a routine signals your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. You can choose from a variety of activities to incorporate into your routine, such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or listening to soothing music. By participating in these activities, you will be able to calm your mind and relax your body, which will help you fall asleep easier. Step 3. Limit exposure to screens. Smartphones, laptops, and televisions emit blue light that suppresses the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. Therefore, limiting screen exposure before bedtime is important. If you have trouble sleeping, you should try to avoid screens for at least an hour before you go to sleep. If you have trouble sleeping, invest in blue light blocking glasses or use the blue light filter on your devices. The less time you spend on screens, the more melatonin your body produces and the better your sleep will be. Step 4. Create a comfortable sleeping environment. You should ensure that your bed is comfortable with a supportive mattress and pillows. Get quality sleep by having a conducive sleeping environment. If you want to block out light, purchase blackout curtains or eye masks. If you want to reduce sound, use an earplug or white noise machine. In addition, the room should be kept cool, between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 5. Exercise regularly. It is important to be physically active regularly in order to improve your sleep hygiene. Exercise can speed up your sleep and improve your quality of sleep. However, avoid vigorous exercise before bedtime, as it can disrupt your sleep. Step 6. Avoid caffeine, nicotine, and alcohol. You should avoid these substances as much as possible in the hours leading up to bedtime, as these substances can negatively impact sleep, making it difficult to fall asleep or stay asleep. Because caffeine can remain in the body for as long as 8 hours, you should be careful when consuming it throughout the day. In addition to the fact that alcohol can interfere with sleep, it is best to avoid it before bedtime as well. Consider seeing your doctor or a sleep specialist if you still have difficulty sleeping. They can help find any underlying health conditions that may be contributing to your sleep problems and can recommend appropriate treatment for them. Picture this. You hit snooze one too many times and suddenly you're rushing to get ready for work, feeling groggy and disoriented. Sound familiar? Lack of sleep can seriously impact our daily performance and productivity, leaving us feeling drained and unmotivated. But it's not just about feeling tired. The lack of sleep can have a major impact on our overall health and well-being. It can weaken our immune system, increase stress levels, and even lead to long-term health problems like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. So why risk it? A good night's sleep is very important for our bodies and minds to recharge and function at their best. When we sleep, our bodies work to repair and restore all the damage done during the day. As if it was a magic elixir, it helps keep us feeling healthy, energetic, and vibrant throughout the day. So if you're tired of feeling tired, it's time to take control of your sleep. By following the tips and tricks in How to Fix Your Sleep Schedule, you'll be on your way to a better night's sleep and a brighter, healthier future. Don't let the lack of sleep hold you back any longer. Thanks for watching. Wake up right. Don't stop now. Check out this video for more tips on fixing your sleep schedule and getting a good night's rest.